All right, I'm going to show you how you do a single crochet for your first row. There's a little V shape where you did your chain. We're going to insert the hook in the middle of that V, grab the yarn, and then pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. And then we'll go into the next middle of the V shape there, grab the yarn. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. And then we'll go into the next V shape, grab the yarn over, pull through. And then we can see our single crochets forming. So we're just going to continue this all the way to the end to create our first row. And now we're reaching the end of our row here. We're going to insert in that V, grab the yarn, pull it over, 2 loops on the hook, and then we're going to pull it through. And then to do our next row, rows 2 through etc., if you're going to do like 20 rows or more, what we're going to do is you're going to yarn over, pull it through, and we're going to do a chain. And then what this is going to help us do is we're actually going to turn our work, and you can see how there's V shapes formed for the first row. So instead of going through the middle, we are now going to go underneath that V shape and do the exact same thing we did. So yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then we're going to keep continuing. So I'm going to go underneath that V shape, which you can see my hook is underneath there. Grab the yarn, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. And then we see the next V shape. We're going to put my hook underneath there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through both loops to create your single crochet. And then we're just going to do that until the end. And then this will be our second row. And then, yep, here's our last stitch, which sometimes is tricky to get at the end. Just grab the yarn over, and pull through. So now we have 2 rows complete. And then you can keep doing this. If I wanted to do more rows, all I'm going to do is yarn over and then do a chain and turn my work and continue to do the same thing.